The candle range in pips indicator, which is readily available for various platforms on the comprehensive TradingFinder website, can be easily downloaded by traders from this dedicated section for platforms like MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Additionally, to truly learn how this powerful indicator works and its full functionality, you can meticulously study this page. From the navigator section, we carefully select the indicator file, and by simply opening the file, we effectively run the indicator on the chart. Once the indicator is successfully loaded, a clear histogram window prominently appears at the bottom of the chart. The candle range in pips indicator is indeed a very special and exceptionally practical tool for astute traders who consistently use technical analysis and price action. Based on the intricate price movement and the observable behavior and distinct movement steps of individual candles, it significantly helps identify clear trading opportunities, allowing precise entry into buy or sell trades in the market. This indicator meticulously displays the price movement for each candle as a visually intuitive histogram, and by diligently using it, we can gain a much better understanding of the various price movement phases. When the histogram value noticeably increases, as in this particular section, it strongly indicates a trending phase in price movement. When the histogram shows medium or relatively small candles, it typically indicates a resting phase or a range phase in the market, where we can effectively compare the size of the candle's bodies to other distinct sections. As you can clearly see here, the histogram value is steadily increasing, but in other sections the value is in a ranging phase. This indicator does not have any complex or special settings, and you can also easily change the color of both bullish and bearish histogram bars from the dedicated color section to your preferred colors. Well, we've now reached the very end of this comprehensive indicators tutorial. We'd be absolutely happy if you kindly share your valuable comments and insightful suggestions with us in other designated sections.